Better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Lavon Tanisha, and in this video I'm going to cover and answer a bunch of frequently asked questions that a lot of my clients ask me before they book. So let's just get into the video. The best way to book an appointment is to email me at makeuplovebylavon@gmail.com. The services that I offer are full face makeup applications. I also do eyebrow grooming as well. My studio is located in Wilmington, Delaware. I also travel in surrounding areas, which would be the tri-state area. When booking an appointment, please submit your name, the date and time that you would like your appointment, and I will respond to your email within 24 hours. Yes, all makeup appointments require a deposit, and I also require a deposit to hold your wedding date as well. Yes, the makeup price includes lashes. However, if you would like to bring your own lashes, you are more than welcome to do so. A full face makeup application takes about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on what type of look that you get. I always say the sooner the better. Once you know the time and date that you would like your makeup done, please reach out and I will do my best to accommodate your request. The products that I use are high-end or prestige product lines. Some of these lines include MAC Cosmetics, NARS, Too Faced, Huda Beauty, Anastasia, Smashbox, just to name a few.